Yo guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video of our try this series, we're going to be testing out the side hustle that promised us that we could make $12 by literally watching TikTok video by Franklin Emmanuel. So I'm going to be testing out the side hustle to see if the side hustle is really worth it or not. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. You guys are going to be seeing me right here doing everything in detail for you guys.
In this space. Now you can see this person is a Brazilian earning over 5k, and scrolling down you can see Nigerians like you that are earning over $3,000 for themselves on this website, and scrolling down you can see other earnings of people who have made money from this simple website. And this people have actually made money from this simple website, taking up on a series of tasks including watching TikTok videos online. And at the same time you can also see that I've actually been able to earn myself over $42, and I have a pending earning of $8 right here in this particular space. Now in this particular video today, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money by watching TikTok videos. Now
so you guys have seen it for yourself right here. So right here we're going to be walking through all of the steps is going to be mentioned right here in this video, and we're going to be seeing if we are really going to be making money by literally watching TikTok videos. Something he said in the video was we should head over to this website called Sprite Gig, and you can see right here this is the official page right here. So this is the website that I said we're going to be paying us right here to watch TikTok videos. So the first thing he said is we should sign up on the website. So right here I'm going to be creating a new account right here for myself. I'm going to be filling in my name, my email address, confirm my password, and I'm going to be selecting my country right here. So let me quickly find my country. So I'm from Nigeria. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on I've agreed with their terms and conditions. Then I'm going to click on I'm a worker. Then after I'm done with that, I'm going to click on the sign up button right now. So basically I'm done creating my account, and this is how the dashboard looks like. So what he said was he said we should head over to the micro tax option. So I'm going to be clicking on the menu bar right here. So I'm going to be looking for the micro tax option right here, and you guys can see right here this is the micro job option right here, and also we also have the survey option right here. So I'm going to be clicking on the micro job option. What he said was we should filter the category, that is the job category right here, to TikTok videos. So I'm going to be heading over to the category section right here. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to be clicking on this TikTok section right here to see if you're going to see a TikTok tax that we could literally complete. So let me scroll down a little bit. So you guys could see right here I can't really find any TikTok offers right here on this website. So all the jobs I'm looking at right here are SEO plus content and engage whatever. So let me just keep scrolling down a bit if we are still going to find any. Okay, I think I found they said we should subscribe to a YouTube channel right here, and we're going to be getting paid $1.6 right here. That is $1.6 right here. So okay, before I literally go with this start, let me just scroll down a little bit to see if we can still find any TikTok offers right here on this website. I don't really think we could find any TikTok. Okay, let me just go with the subscribe option. That is this job option that will say we should subscribe to a YouTube channel right here. So right here I'm going to be clicking on the offer right here to see what they say we should do. So you can see right here these are all the instructions right here. So what they said we should do is we should head over to this account right here and click on this button. They said we should enable a two-factor authentication right here. Then we should download a Google authentication app on our phone and scan the QR code. And also they said we should enter a code displayed by Google Authenticator right here. So let me quickly do this right here to see if you're going to get paid by doing this job right now. So after I click on the link, they said we should click, and you can see right here this is where the link brought me to. So they asked I should enter my name. So let me quickly enter my name real quick. So I'm trying to click to type my name, but it's not really going. Okay, let me check out this option. Okay, type in your security answer. I don't really get what this is trying to tell us, because I don't really understand, because you can see right here they said I should enter my name, and right here I'm clicking on it right here, and it's not even giving me the opportunity to even enter my name. And also they say we should enable the authentication right here. Okay, let me quickly download the Google authentication right here on the Google Play Store and see how it works. So you guys could see right here I'm done downloading the Google authentication app right here. You can see right here this is how the app looks like, and you can see right here this is the code right here. I hope you guys could see that. Let me pull that up for you guys right here. So this is the code they say we should verify our account with. So I already input the code using the Google authentication app. So right here I'm going to be going back to the website right here to see if we really got paid the money. So you guys could see right here I already went back to the website, but it's still taking me back to the same place again, and I don't really know why. Okay, maybe let's just try to before we literally jump into any conclusion right here, let's just try to check out other offers to see if they're gonna really work for us. So guys, also they're also asking us to do the verification. I've done the verification. I don't know why it's not really working. You can see right here this is what is displaying for me. I don't really know what is wrong with this website. And guys, I don't know if you guys have tested out this site also right here, or you have tested out the website. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this website. Have you earned how much you have earned on this website? So guys, literally guys, to me, I don't think this website is worth, or this site also is worth, testing out, because to me right here is just a waste of time. So you guys have seen it yourself that I test out everything they say we should do right here in the video, and you can see right here I made $0, which is really discouraging. But yeah guys, let me know in the comment section how much you have made on the website. Have you ever tested out this website right here? Has it worked for you? And again, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and smash that subscribe button for more video like this. And again, if you want me to test out any side hustle or any making money online opportunity right here on YouTube, just feel free to go to the comment section right here and drop the comment. So I'm gonna be testing out the side hustle for you right here. So guys, like I said, I'm not gonna advise you waste your time right here on this website, because there are other ways you could use to make money online, money on YouTube. You can make money from blogging and other stuff right here on the internet. So I'm gonna advise you do not waste your data, you do not waste your time, your energy right here on this website. Like I said, I'm gonna be seeing you guys in my next video. It's up.